So you decide that you want to learn how you can actually make money with Samcart affiliate program. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review the Samcart affiliate program, and also I'm going to share with you strategies how we can promote Samcart to actually earn the commission, because there are multiple ways how we can do it. Now, Samcart is a high-paying affiliate program, and this is something that I really like about it. But before we're gonna jump to the review, there is going to be a tools that I use that I earn $1,000 monthly with, down below in the description, that you can check it out on the link. And also I create completely free masterclass on how you can make money with affiliate and what are the strategies that I use that helps me to earn money on YouTube. And again, you will find the link down below in the description, so definitely check it out. And before we go, let's just jump into the video. Now, when you're going to be here in Samcart, how it works. Positive side, really good thing that is you're going to have all your commissions are recurring year after year. Earn up to $995 upfront for each new Samcart user you sign up. That's like really good. Get our highest converting assets, videos, banners, images, and email copy design to help you earn the most commission possible. This is also pretty good because if you want to use it for email, if you want to use it for blogs, the banners, etc., this is going to be really useful for you. Now, if it's actually good, and what are the cookies? The cookies are, I think, like 60 days, I guess. I read it somewhere, but I would have to check it out again. But there's one thing, that commission fees are paid 45 days after launch through the PayPal. This is like really great only because it's going to be protect you from all the refunds. So that's something that is pretty good. And they have the online reporting, etc. I applied for it. I'm affiliated with Samcart, and it's pretty simple to apply because you just click here apply now, then you just fill it out, what you're gonna do, and also the website URL. And when you will have it, they will also send you a message that you need to fill out another form, and then you're straight away in the menu in the login where you can actually use Samcart. So that's something like really cool and really effective, what you can actually do. Now, when we go further to another topic, and that's how we can actually promote the Samcart affiliate. So there are multiple ways. So you can use, when you click on the tools down below the description, you will get to do one of the tools called SEMrush, where you can use for keyword overview, where you can easily search for keywords about the SEMrush. Another thing is that when we're gonna add here like SEMrush tutorial on YouTube, let's see what we're gonna find. Okay, not SEMrush but Samcart. Yeah, my mind just got a little bit tricked there. So we see like few guys here making tutorials, and what you can do is just like easily create tutorial too, or you can make even Samcart review. And this guy 5 years ago, I'm really curious about like his story. And that's like another thing what you can do. Now, when we go even further on the Samcart, is that plenty of people are actually using it and are making money with it. So a review, that's something you can do, or you can make like comparison videos, comparison articles that you can also write, or you can even use, this will sound strange, but you can make TikTok tutorial on TikTok video, that how you're actually recording it, how you're using it, and then like how the people can use it too to build an online course, etc. So when I come here to Samcart, you can choose here the why Samcart, and what I always do is that I try to specialize like what the product is solving, what kind of problems, and then I try to like create content around those problems. And that's one of the tips that I have in our top 3 guides, or top 3 like the ways how we can do it. And I gotta see the side hustles here, right? Or why Samcart? I gotta see the features. Like what kind of features they offer. And revenue optimization, A/B testing, smart pixel tracking. And you can really just recommend it for e-commerce and also for the course creation. So comparison videos, tutorials, guides, that's all what you can do with a Samcart that you can win with it. So that's something you can definitely do. Now, when we go even further about things that like SimilarWeb is a website which is also great that you can use for getting like the alternatives to Samcart. So when you come here and right here Samcart, and I can find the comparison here, right? ClickFunnels. Then I got like answer the public. So that's something you can definitely do. And find plenty of tools here. So like FryCart, there's like a comparison FryCart versus Samcart. Let's see how it's going to be. Okay, and you see that you could probably create also comparison videos like this, right? And that's something you can do. So you can also search for the competitors and create content about those. And now when I go to the FryCart, you can use tutorial on that too. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. This was like a Samcart review affiliate, or if it's actually good to use it. I definitely recommend to check the tool down below in the description. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.